Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Home to your Ring Smart Doorbell, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your Google Home to your Ring Smart Doorbell, begin by ensuring both devices are powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the home screen. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Choose Works with Google to see a list of compatible devices. In the search bar, type Ring and select the Ring app from the list. You will be prompted to sign in to your Ring account. Enter your Ring credentials and allow the necessary permissions for Google Home to access your Ring devices. Once connected, return to the Google Home app. You should see your Ring doorbell listed under Available Devices. Tap on the doorbell to add it to your Google Home. You can now assign it to a specific room if you choose. After adding, you can test the connection by using voice commands. Try saying, "Hey Google, show me the front door." Your Google Home should now successfully display your Ring doorbell feed. If you encounter any issues, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure that both devices are updated to the latest software version. That's it. Your Google Home is now connected to your Ring Smart Doorbell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.